How to prepare a cream with carrots and potatoes for anti-aging skin. It tightens the skin and eliminates wrinkles permanently. We will need 1 carrot. Peel the carrot. Carrots fight wrinkles and prevent their reappearance. It eliminates wrinkles around the eyes, around the mouth, and on the forehead. Grate the carrot on a grater. Carrots also lighten the skin and eliminate pigmentation. Extract the carrot juice. We will need 1 potato. Peel a potato. Grate the potato in a grater. Potatoes are rich in antioxidants, which increases the production of natural collagen in the skin. Extract potato juice. Put the potato juice and carrot juice in a saucepan. Add a tablespoon of flaxseeds. Flaxseed eliminates wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Put the ingredients to boil for 5 minutes. Now filter the mixture. Add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix well. Add a teaspoon of almond oil or vitamin E. Mix it well. Apply this cream in the evening before going to sleep. Apply it well on the face and neck. Massage it well until your skin absorbs it. Leave it on your skin until morning and wash it off. Repeat the application of this cream every evening. You will notice that your skin has become tight from the first use.